Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, analogous estimation. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, and especially if you are a student of PMP or you are planning to give exam of PMP. So this is a very important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Analogous estimation. What is analogous estimation? First of all, we have to understand the concept of estimation. Friend, as a project manager, you have to estimate the things. Estimation means, friend, that in terms of time, cost, budget, you have to estimate that how much time is required to complete ABC activity, for example. How much time to complete, how much cost will be required to complete that work. So as a project manager, friend, this is a basically concept of project management in which you have to estimate the things, estimate the activities actually. For example, you are a project manager and you have to estimate that how much time is required to complete ABC project, how much time is required to complete ABC, how much cost will be required. So here comes the concept of analogous estimation. Analogous estimation says, friend, that you see the historical projects, okay, on basis of historical projects you do the estimation. However, you take the opinion of expert opinion as well, or technical opinion as well. For example, you are a project manager and an e-commerce solution has been assigned to you as a project manager, and this is a project you have to complete and you have to estimate that how much time or cost will be required. Now friend, it came to your knowledge that in the past, like for example last year, you have done the same project of e-commerce, same type of project e-commerce solution as well. So you can took the estimates like that how many months it will need it, like for example within 6 months was the estimate of that project which was done in the last year, and for example $1000 was the cost of that project, for example. Now friend, you can take the same estimates for example the estimates of time and cost, and you can take the opinion of expert opinion as well. You can take your technical lead opinion as well. For example, if there are some nitty-gritties are there, if there are some complexities are there, for example, so you on basis of that judgment, on basis of that estimation, you can do the estimation of the future or next project as well. Like you use the historical project information, like the estimate in terms of time and cost, and you use those estimation to do the estimation for the future projects. Okay, if last year the e-commerce solution project, which is very similar to that project, it was completed, it was planned to complete in 6 months, and the cost for 10 was $1000. So you take the same estimation and you discuss with your technical lead or the expert person and use those estimates for your future projects as well. So friend, this is called as the concept of analogous estimation. Remember friend, one thing, that normally we use analogous estimation when we have less time to estimate and we have to deliver the things quickly. Okay, one more thing, that generally analogous estimation is not so much accurate and there are chances of errors as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.